Hi everyone, it's Christine with Faithnbooks. Here's a look at our nonfiction titles that rolled out with our mid-season releases, starting with a new Little Lift and Look series. This is Red Fox. Your readers will follow this curious fox around the garden at night while discovering what's underneath each flap throughout this gorgeous board book. In Usborne's My First Words, we have garden, we have farm. Your babies will enjoy looking at all the bright pictures on each page, exploring and learning new words. I love how colorful the illustrations are in this board book. Speaking of words, we also have a First Animals book you see right here. I love the thicker, more durable pages you see in this one. Colorful illustrations to help your littles learn about all kinds of different animals. From words to learning about colors now, we have Chameleons' favorite color, a peep through rainbow adventure that you get to go on. This is a story about a chameleon who's trying to figure out what color paint to use for his tree house. So you'll see which one he chooses in the end while learning the colors of the rainbow. In Usborne's life cycles, you might be familiar with One Little Tree or One Little Frog. We now have One Little Butterfly. Enjoy this beautiful book with holes that you can peek through on each page you see right here while you learn the process of where butterflies come from and how they grow. In our new title, How Do You Feel? This is such a gorgeous book. Look at the illustrations on each page that reflect the mood of what each of these animals are feeling. I love the expressions on their faces, so relatable and a great way to explore these emotions with your readers. If you love all things ocean and sea creatures, you'll love our new Peek Inside series, The Deep Ocean. I love these gorgeous books. Look, a simple flap on each page and it'll take your readers all the way to the bottom of the ocean floor. They'll discover all kinds of unique living things down there. In Coral Reefs, this is Usborne Beginners. This is another great book for my ocean lovers. Look at the gorgeous illustrations and pictures on each page. You'll learn how reefs grow and all kinds of fascinating facts in the world of coral reefs. Two new titles in our Lift the Flap First Questions and Answers series. We have How Does My Body Work and Why Is It Dark at Night? I'll show you this one. This one you'll learn about why it gets dark every night and why it gets darker earlier in winter. So tons of fun facts underneath each flap. Great for ages 4 and up. We have a new series. It's called Funny Bugs and Funny Beasts. Our son Rylan really enjoyed reading this because it's written with a lot of humor. So I heard him laughing as he was turning the pages, learning about the different animals and bugs and some of the strangest behaviors that they've developed over the years to survive in the wild. Be sure to pay attention too, because at the end there's a quiz to test your knowledge. In our newest title, Can We Really Help the Dolphins? Yes, we can, and these 6 kids will show you just how to do that. In fact, and they'll also help you discover what really is going on under the sea in this book. And we also have other titles in this series. If you love our Lift the Flap books, here are some new ones that you can dive into. In Questions and Answers About Germs, you'll learn everything you need to know about germs and how to keep them away so you don't get sick. See Inside Genes and DNA, learn what genes are, where your genes come from, and how they work. This is great for ages 8 and up. Now you saw earlier our Peek Inside the Deep Ocean. Now we have Usborne Extreme Planet, The Deep. There's still so much we don't know about the deep ocean, but this book will at least give you a glimpse of some of the discoveries so far. There are lots of things to know about space, and this book will at least get you started on some of them, from what is the fastest thing in space to how long it takes to fly to the moon. This is filled with tons of facts, great for ages 6 and up. If you have a graphic novels lover at home, our 24 Hours series is a great one to get them into. This is 24 Hours in Antarctica, one of the newest titles in this series. Find out how to survive on the coldest continent and what a day in the life is like for researchers out there. We also have 24 Hours in Space and Jungle. If math makes you happy, then this book is for you. In Usborne's Understanding Mathematics, you'll learn how to use math to understand the world around you, even use it to help you predict the future. This book will show you how fascinating math can be. This is great for ages 10 and up. If you're a fan of Explore America's National Park, you will love this one, Explore America's National Wildlife. These books are gorgeous. We really enjoy this. You'll discover more than 200 native animals and plants all across America. This is a must for my nature lovers and adventure seekers.